Most of you are waiting for AdSense approval. No, that is not how it works. I have most of my blogs which are already AdSense approved, but this secret ad network, which I'm going to simply show you, are the best AdSense alternative with high CPM for your blog website. The first one which I like so much is Montag right here, and another one I like so much is the Adsterra. All right, AdSense has a lot of policies which you have to make sure you obey before they can approve you. Number one, you need your website to be of age. Number two, they have to review your website before they can even approve you. One of the new blog which I developed recently, and I added it to AdSense, and AdSense rejected it, but as time goes on I started to use Montag with that same website, and Montag automatically approved my website. I started uploading content there with auto blogging, and I went ahead to add it again on AdSense, and they approved it. Okay, one thing you have to look out for when choosing an ad network is the type of traffic they accept and also their policies, right? But right here, this Montag right here and also the Adsterra, I'm going to simply review the type of traffic they accept, which is one of the reasons why I like Montag and Adsterra. Okay, because these two platforms, they accept any type of traffic at all, so long as this traffic are genuine and they are human being. All right, this is a question I asked: does Montag and Adsterra support paid ad from Facebook ad? Okay, so the answer is yes. Okay, this is what it says here: both Montag and Adsterra generally support using paid ad from Facebook to promote their direct link and other monetization strategy. Okay, if you head over to Adsterra, this is what they said here. You can see here advanced monetization, how to make money on Facebook traffic with direct link. All right, so this is the blog post they made you to understand that you can actually make money with Facebook traffic. You set up your blog website, monetize it, add some content there, then you promote with Facebook ad. And this is going to simply work for you whether you're using Montag or Adsterra. Okay, so for you to get started, you need to simply head over to your browser right here, and you have to simply search for Montag. Okay, when you search for Montag, just click on this sign up section right here, then click on create account with email. Okay, so you can create account with email. Let's go ahead and add our account details. This is your personal data right here, and this is company data. So if you are registering as an individual, make sure it's on this individual section. Then you have to simply add your name right here. Let's say I'm going to add my name as John Francis. Okay, then my last name is Francis. Okay, then I'm going to add that. Then I'm going to add my email. Let's say John Francis. Okay, that's the email. Then I'm going to simply select Nigeria. Okay, so you remember the website is available no matter where you're watching from. Okay, so I'm going to simply select my city, and I'm going to add that right there. You want to monetize your website. Okay, so when you select that, the next thing you have to do is to simply come over to this section, accept the terms and conditions. Then I'm going to simply copy my website URL to this very section. So just go back here. I'm going to simply go over to my website right here, then copy this. Then after copying that, come back here, paste it right here. Okay, you can see right here, this is what we have. Then you scroll down, then you click on this sign up button. It has turned to blue. Okay, so the account has been created right there. So I'm going to simply go ahead and verify my account with my mobile phone. Okay, they've already sent an email. Okay, so you can show right here, this is a verify account. Okay, so we're going to simply verify that. I'm going to simply go ahead and log in. Alright, so you can show right here the site has been added, but one thing is left here. We have to verify the site. Okay, you can see the site is not really verified. It is not really verified, so we're going to simply verify that. For us to verify that, there are too many options for the verification. Okay, so in this section you can use the plugin to verify it, or you go to other options. All right, the other option is to go ahead and upload it to your root directory, or you copy this code. Okay, so this one work effectively. So let me go ahead and copy this code. When you copy this code, the next thing you have to do is to go back to your blog website, then go to your dashboard from here. Okay, when you go to your dashboard, just scroll down a little bit to this section that says appearance. When you come to appearance, under appearance, then you click on the theme editor. Okay, so when you click on that, then it's going to simply open a new separate page for you. Okay, you have to make sure you follow what I'm going to simply show you right here, so that you don't break your website or crash your website. Okay, so I'm going to simply tell them that I understand, because I already know what to do. Okay, then you scroll down a little bit on this very section, just locate the header of your website. Okay, you have to locate the theme header. This is the theme header here. Just click on theme header. Okay, when you click on theme header, it's going to simply take you to this very section. Then I'm going to simply go ahead and paste that code here. You can see the code has been added here. Then I'm going to simply click on this update file. Okay, make sure you update the file so that the changes will appear on your Montag. Okay, So you're gonna wait for a while for this to update on your Montag, but let's try it again if it has already come. All right, if your own has not been updated, it's to show you red sign. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on verify now to see if it is working now. So automatically they've already updated it. Okay, you can see right here it has been verified, which means this one is really much faster. Now you can add your first zone. Okay, you have to make sure you add your first zone, right? So the zones are the ad units. So if you click on this add zone via plugin, that means you've already installed the plugin, but we didn't install plugin. I don't want to install the plugin. I don't want a lot of plugin on my website. Okay, so if you click on this add zone, we can add the zone automatically. Okay, so if you come over to this section, we're going to see we have multi-tag. Okay, so this one is the one I like so much, okay, because it has all of the ad units in one particular code. Okay, so if you come to this section, you're going to see we have the on click pounder, you have the push notification, we have banner and lots more. Okay, all of these things, both interstitial, are all on this multi-tag. Okay, so I'm going to simply go ahead and get the multi-tag, then add that on my website right now. Okay, because it has been added. Then go ahead and copy this code from here. Then the next thing you have to do is to fall back to your blog, then go back to your blog right here and locate your code snippet, then go to header and footer. All right, then go to the header section. This is the header section here. Then you have to simply press that here. Okay, it has been added. Then click on save changes. All right, so this has been added. Let's go ahead and view the website. Okay, the ad is automatically working. You can see advertisement showing up. Okay, you can see these are ads showing up right now. You can see ad from Montag. Okay, so we can close it. And the thing I like about Montag is that it's going to simply display as AdSense as well. Okay, you can see this is the interstitial ad and it has a closing button here. Okay, where you can simply close and read any blog of your choice. Okay, and when your blog is monetized just like this, the next thing you have to do is simply go ahead, start publishing content on your blog. All right, so that you get more visitors, get people whenever they visit, then they're going to simply see a content that they can read and consume. All right, the next thing you have to do right now is simply promote this website. So we have free method of promoting the website blog, we have the paid method. Okay, the free method is basically the one which I already shown you yesterday in our previous video. Okay, just go ahead and check out the last video which I made yesterday. Okay, and another free method is to simply utilize Adsterra. You can show why Adsterra is a forum website which has lots of visitors, millions of visitors every single month. Okay, so on this platform, people ask questions and requires answers. All right, so most people utilize this question that people are asking to generate traffic to their blog website. If you come over to this forum, you can ask a question, or you can look at for questions people are asking already. Okay, so if you scroll down right, you're going to see there are a lot of people asking questions. What do most doctors not want you to know? All right, so most of these stuff right here are basically questions people are asking, and you can pick the one that is trending and make a blog post about that on your blog website. When you make a blog post right there, copy your blog link and you come over to this platform, then copy a bit of that particular post you've already made, then coupled with your own link, add that to that question so that people can easily read a little bit and read more on your blog website. That's basically how to drive traffic from Quora. And if you do this consistently, you're going to see good traffic onto your blog website. Okay, another traffic method is the paid traffic method, which I've already made a full course on. It is a part 1 and part 2. Okay, so this is basically for Adsterra direct link traffic arbitrage with Facebook ad. Okay, and also the part 2, which shows you how to run the campaign from Facebook. Okay, so these 2 videos right here are going to simply help you. You can simply join us on our Patreon membership to access these courses for free. Okay, and this is going to simply help you a lot. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. In my next video, I'm going to simply show you how to run paid ad. If you want that video, I want you to comment paid ad on the comment section. All right, if I see 50 comments, then I'm going to simply drop the video instantly. See you in the next one.